Hello everyone, good morning. Uh, my fellow OFWs around the world, magandang araw po sa inyo. Yung nasa Pilipinas, good morning. It's already 9:54 in the morning. Shout out to uh, Bunji, Texas, Macas in USA. Thank you very much for your support. To Engineer Edwin Vergara and Engineer Edwin Bilan, thank you for your support. And to John Marching and Maynard Castro, to Manny Davis, thank you for your support. Now, as usual, we are here to discuss the market. So, Idol, thank you for your support. And we will see the market today. Already start 9:30. Yesterday there is a bounce. There's 2 days already. There's a bounce in the incline support. So we will see now what happened to the PCI as of 9:55 in the morning. So, but before that, this is only a disclaimer that there is no recommendation. This discussion, there is no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position if you have shares of these companies. As I said, it is only purely the purpose of this discussion is for educational purposes only, to see the support and the resistance. Idol Dotics, thank you very much to Sister Bunjitik Macas. Thank you. So let's go to the chart. We will see the chart now as of 9:56. So this is the PECI chart. As of today, 9:56, you will see the winner, the top losers, top gainers, and most active. Tingnan natin sino yung most active. Still, most active is Dito, is down by 2.11% now. The price of Dito is 8.81 pesos per share. It's followed by EPL, 12.12%. He's up by 12.12%. PHE, up by 6.67. And the top gainers is EPL, 10.91%. And OB, 9.09%, followed by Tugu. And the top losers is PRMX. These companies, we know that these companies are going up in the previous days. And now he's in the top losers. And HBN is also 5.56 down. And Vulcan Mining, this is 4.89. So there are 10 top losers, there are 10 top gainers, and 10 most active. So we will see the PCI. We'll see the chart of PCI now. PCI is down by 1.04 as of 9:58 in the morning. So, but still is above in the incline support, this line. So last time we discussed that when the PCI is going down, we need to watch if there's a bounce on this incline support. So there's 2 days already, there's a bounce. And today again, as of 9:58, the market, the PCI is red. He is down by 1.09. But still he is in this incline support above this line and the horizontal, and also the exponential moving average 200, this green line. So we will watch if PCI will stay above on that horizontal support and incline support. So we need to watch these two Um, to support, there is exponential moving average 200, and there is horizontal support and incline support. So if ever PCI will read today, uh, we need to monitor because there's a possibility that this incline support and horizontal support ay mag-break ni PCI if ever he will close red today. But still, we will focus the uh, incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCI. But now, we will see the MACD. MACD is still below the zero line, and the blue line is crossing down again to the red line. So still the momentum is weak, and also it is below the zero line. So we need be to monitor that incline support and the break ni PCI this line. Now the ADX is now above 25 and RSI is below 50. So we need to watch PCI. This is my general opinion that this incline support and horizontal support ay still mag-hold ang PCI, ang level ni PCI. But if ever ma-break yan, then go going below the all exponential moving averages, so it will become a downtrend. So we need to focus and monitor on that incline support and aiming 200 na hindi ma-break ni PECI. So weak po yung market natin na is down by 1.08 as of 5.01 at as of 10 o'clock in the morning. So we need to monitor that incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCI and the exponential moving average 200. Now let's go to the quiz here. Tingnan natin yung request, but as I said, there's no recommendation to buy. This is only for educational purposes based on the actual price movement of the market. So now we'll start with IDC. This is Italpinas. We know IDC is also going up in the previous months, but again, we know that market is not going up continuously. There is a time going up, going down, going sideways. This is the movement of the market. Shout out to Kate Jason and Rapli Bimorano, and to Minard Castro and Will Lugnok, and to Ivan David Wakeri, and Patricia Siasat, to Dave Maipan and Red Reddington, Iki Bordado, and Christian Amlog. To Louis Patrick, Job Lois, thank you for your support. To Henry Six of Italia, and Jonathan Nungo, thank you, and Boss Marquez. Now, if you see the chart of IDC, and this area, IDC last first week of March, IDC already broke the 4 exponential moving averages. So it is a downtrend. Now, yesterday, this area, this is a support. So if you see the previous price movement of IDC, this area there is a rejection on this area here. So there is a rejection on this area also a resistance. this one resistant, this area resistant, and now it will become supposedly support. But EDX now is above 25, so very strong. The momentum is very strong going down. MACD is below the zero line and below the signal line. So even in the chart, supposedly he will hold on this horizontal support because this is the previous resistance. But IDC, he did not hold on this area yesterday. So today he is trying to bounce, but this line it will become a resistance because if the support is broken, when the price is going up, it will become resistant. And if the resistance break, if the price will go retracement, it will become support. But in case of IDC yesterday here, supposedly he will bounce on this area because this is the previous resistance. But he did not. He break this horizontal support, and now there is a bounce, but it is rejected because it will become a resistance. So we will see another first movement of IDC. But for now, don't be aggressive for IDC for me. We need another movement going to the support area, especially the MACD is below the zero line and crossing the signal line. So mag-ingat-ingat po tayo sa mga trades, no? If ever there is a weak momentum, and also the chart also it is in the resistance area. So we don't want to be aggressive if the price is in the resistance area, especially it is a downtrend. So for my general opinion for IDC, we just wait the next price movement of IDC. If we will go to the support, we'll see the next possible support of IDC. We'll draw a possible support of IDC. So we'll see on this area here. So we'll see in that area if there is a bounce of IDC. But if we draw an incline, still rejected as of 10.07. So we need to wait another price movement of IDC if we will bounce on this next horizontal support below. So the general chart or indicator still bearish for IDC. So we need to wait another price movement of IDC. Next one is CHP. Now Jollibee is red as of 10:08 in the morning. SMC San Miguel Corporation is also red. Now this is the chart of CHP. The same MACD is below the zero line and crossing the signal line. If we draw the channel, we need to see if there is a bounce in this bottom line of the channel. But only bounce, the bounce play only. Don't stay here because the trend is in a downtrend. So we'll draw a support. This area here. We'll see if there is a bounce. On this area. You see, this is the previous resistance. previous resistant of CHP. So we can just this area here. So we'll see if there is a bounce. Now there's a bounce, but this is not enough for CHP. So let us check na hindi ma-break itong horizontal support ni CHP. So if ever mag-break yan ni CHP, we will see the line in the bottom line of the channel. We will see this area here. This is the support area. So tingnan natin kung mag-bounce si CHP din. But for now, don't be aggressive because the movement of CHP is going down. It is in the downtrend now because it's below the all exponential moving averages. So we need to wait another price movement for CHP. Thank you. Shout out to Long Salavi. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Now, general opinion for CHP, my own point of view. Based on the chart, it is a downtrend because it's below all exponential moving average. And the MACD is going the crossing below the signal line, the red line. And ADX is below 25, the RSI is 24. So we need to see another price movement of CHP. If there is a bounce here, this support, this is only a bounce play. Don't stay a longer time here because it is a downtrend. So we need to wait another movement of CHP. There's a possible I will go bounce, but this is only temporary bounce. It is not going up because there is exponential moving averages. It will act also as resistance. So next one is we'll see the dito. We'll see dito. Shout out to Engineer Virgilio Magna and to Franz Nabua and Arlen Bruno, to El Espiritu and Engineer Peter Dominic Bergonio, and to Diane Cortez and Dan Andre Sabalo, to Ria Montelia, thank you very much. Now this is the chart of dito. Dito MACD is crossing the zero line. And he is in the EMI 200. There is a short bounce here in EMI 200. And if you see the RSI is now 24.78. And the volume yesterday, napakataas po yung volume ni dito. But basically, we will focus on the price movement. This line here, this is the support, there's a bounce. This line, there's a bounce. So if we will project these 2 points, this is the inclined support of dito. We need to wait dito, it will drop on this area. If dito will hold in this area. But for now, there is a rejection of the candle as of 10:14 in the morning. So we need to see during the closing hour if there is no rejection. If ever there is rejection, we'll see on this inclined support, this line. So now it's red as of 10:14 in the morning. So don't be aggressive for dito now. Just wait and this inclined support mag-hold on this line. There is two support here. This horizontal support, this line is the resistance area, and now this is become support. We will see dito if we will going down to this area, especially this inclined support to mag-hold. If ever this horizontal support and di mag-hold, we need to see next inclined support, this line. We need to watch this inclined support. This is the support here. This line, this is the support. This one, this is support. If ever this horizontal support and this inclined support and horizontal support and the mag-hold, this is the area we need to watch for dito, this inclined support. Next inclined support below. But for now, don't be aggressive for dito. For me, but it's up to you. This is your money. But for me, I will wait if there is a bounce on this inclined support, this line. Especially tomorrow is Friday, so we'll see in this line for dito and the horizontal support. We know already the MACD is crossing down the zero line and it's widening. So the momentum is very weak for dito. Hintay lang muna tayo. We need to wait. Even if there is a bounce today, this is only bounce play only, no? If this up to this horizontal resistance, this line. So we need to wait another price movement of dito. Shout out to MRC, ACAS. Thank you very much for your support. Mayroon pa bang ano din, yung salad. Na paborito ko po yung salad na niluluto ko. Thank you very much for sharing. So this is my general opinion for dito. Wait for I will wait for another movement of dito. So next one we will see MRC. MRC, we'll see MRC. Shout out to Merlin Pania and Rosalito Giangan and Sardi de la Fina and Ronald Ponsalan, and to Carlo Dampel, to Engineer Jonel Galbi and Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat, and to Engineer Eric Lamontad. Thank you for your support. To Federico Paulino. Now, if you see MRC, this is we have discussion before, as I said, the previous thing last month, that we need to watch this inclined support because there is a possibility that MRC will hit this inclined support. Now, yesterday, there are 3 days now nag-hit po yung price ni MRC on this inclined support. This is the previous support we drawn before. And now, if you see, nandito na po siya sa may inclined support. But there is a horizontal resistance, this line here. This is the horizontal resistance. If you see the difference now, maliit lang po yung difference ni MRC between this inclined support and this horizontal resistance. So don't be aggressive for MRC. If ever he will bounce in this area, and there is a rejection in this horizontal resistance, you need to be aware because it will go back to this. Possible he will break this inclined support. But for me, I will wait MRC will climb on this area here. If we will break this resistance, there is a big space in this area between these two lines. So possible there is a bounce if we will break this horizontal resistance up to this next resistance line above. If ever, if we will break this horizontal resistance. But if not, keep away muna. We need to wait and see because there's a possibility that he will break again this inclined support. Now there is a rejection. He's trying to hit this resistant line, this horizontal, but there is rejection as of 10:20 in the morning. So we will wait. We will see, and if we will break this horizontal resistance above. So this is my opinion, but you see, MACD is below zero line. But the good thing, the volume now is going down. So palit na palit yung volume. So we need to see if there is a breakout of this resistance. This is my general opinion for MRC. Hintayin lang muna tayo kung may breakout yan. If not, possible we will break the incline support. So the last one, C. Jollibee is red as of 10:21 in the morning. This is up now. The top losers is OPM 8.33%. So the same with C. See, there's a bounce now here in this horizontal support. And if ever mag-hold itong support na ito possible, we will reach this next resistance line above. But take note that this horizontal support dapat hindi ma-break ni C. See this support here? This is the support line of C. So nag-hold yung price ngayon, and to this nag-bounce na dito, nag-hold naman yung price dito. But we need to watch this horizontal support na hindi ma-break. Kasi kung ma-break ito, then of course, it will go down here, this area here. So, if there is a bounce, kung mag-bounce yan, next resistance this line. But if you take note na that this horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni Chelsea. And possible it will go up on this area if hindi niya ma-break itong horizontal support. But as I said, we need to see if the support ay ma-break, then of course we need to take action if the support ay ma-broken. We say the MACD is still weak. It's below the zero line and crossing the red line. So possible bounce play only, provided that this horizontal support ay hindi ma-break ni Chelsea. But overall trend, the direction of the market is still downtrend because it is below the zero line. So we need to avoid also buying shares, especially it is in the downtrend. Eh, lalo na kung hindi niyo ma-monitor yung market, because the direction of the movement of the price is going down. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. And before I go, shout out to all the viewers here, to Bonji Texas Macas, to Idol Dot Explorers, to Lone Salabi, to MRC. Thank you very much. Engineer Bilan, and to Eric Rimolano. Thank you for your support. To Engineer Loreto Corpus, Engineer Roberto Cayabiab. Thank you. And to Engineer Michael Lagitan and Engineer Diego Bonita. And also to my Building Trade Crew to Patricio Santiago, to Islam Unin Tuyub Ali, and Tariq Abdullah Sheikh, and to Gulpam Jabbar Bafari. Thank you for your support. Good morning, uh, Delia Kakananda. Thank you very much for your support. So thank you. That's all for today. God bless us all always.